Daddy, it's a what? Wow. Wow. خلينا هو السر. Wow, see? I have one like it. Baby bottle. Wow. So we have a diaper for the babies. I have a diaper. Okay. I have lots of diapers. We're going to get Anna and Elsa. Here's Elsa. She's a magic clip doll. Let's see what else. Hello. Wow. The shoes for the baby. Wow, see? Wow, the baby. Oh, she's crying. Here, I have a baby boss. Wow. So nice. It's beautiful. Wow. Baby asleep. Wow, see? It's a baby. I have one like
Baby born like yours.
wow. Baby born. Baby born like mine.
Potty.
This is a potty. Wow, see? So nice. It's beautiful. Wow. Wow. Diaper, baby bottle, soup, food, duck.
Are you going to buy all this for your birthday?
Yeah. I'm going to buy elf. I have one like this. Wow. I have mom.
Bathtub, we only have the pink and the purple. There is no blue for the boys, only pink and purple.
Yeah. Come on, let's see the money. That's a cashier.
See this baby?
Yeah, I want to see the money.